Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple instant noodle packet into a gourmet noodle. So let's get started how we make this. I'm sure you will love this and try this especially for your children at home during quarantine. First, I'm going to add some oil in my wok. I'm using about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add some chopped onions. Using 1 large red onion. You don't have to brown the onions, just cook it for 30 seconds and then we'll add our next ingredient. Next I'm going to add 1 large tomato. Adding 2 green chilies. If you like it spicier, you can add more. Just roughly cut it into small pieces. After 30 seconds, I'm going to add my vegetables. Whatever vegetable you want. You can use green beans, you can add cabbage. What I'm using today is only carrots and green peas. These vegetables were frying in my wok for about a minute or so. Now I'm going to add the powder of the spice mix, which is in the noodle. So it's the ready-made noodle, instant noodle packets. Add whatever spice packets I'm giving you. I only have powdered spice in this particular brand. Sometimes they give you oil, sometimes they give you dry vegetables. You can add that as well at this stage and fry it for a minute. At this stage what I'm going to do is add water, just enough water to cover my vegetables. Like so. And I'm going to let it come to a boil and let it cook for about 2 minutes before I add my noodles. It's been now like about 2 minutes that the vegetables were cooking in the water that I put in. And the water also has become a little thick and has reduced. Now I'm going to add my noodles. Now these are instant noodles. So I've used about 2 packets of noodles. Now the water quantity in my noodle pack in my wok is just enough so that the noodles can cook. Now what I'm going to do is cover it and let it cook for about a minute in low flame. After a minute you will see that the noodles have all become soft. Let's quickly stir it. noodles, see there is a little moisture on the noodle. I'm going to again cover it and let it cook for about a minute until the noodles have completely cooked. So now it's been a minute and you can see the water has completely dried up. Alright, okay. At this stage, let's go ahead and turn off our flame and again cover it so that it gets time to rest for 30 seconds. So 30 seconds I'm going to let it rest, okay, and then open it up. Wow. After 30 seconds you will see the noodle had got time to rest. Everything is now settled. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate it. So here you go. My simple instant noodles has changed into a gourmet meal. Doesn't it look lovely? If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to also click on the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe. I hope you will try this at home. If you like a non-vegetarian version, you can also fry some chicken, pork, beef before you add your onions and use it in your recipe. So do try this and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.